Hello, my beautiful people. This is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I have a different product to review for you guys. This is Sugar Arc Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper in the shade Cherry Brown. I got this shade for myself because I thought that it would suit me well. I have created a look. I have used this product in one of my videos that I had uploaded last time. If you guys would have seen it, you would know that how it went. I think it's one of the best eyebrow products that I have ever used. But before talking about the detailed part of this product, without any further ado, let's get started. So this product was launched in 20 July 2020 and is just a new launch by Sugar Cosmetics. I have always used the Arc Arrival Brow Definer by Sugar Cosmetics. It had only two ends. One was the pencil end, which was kind of triangular, and the other one was the spoolie end that comes up with all the eyebrow products. But this one has got three ends. But one thing that I have noticed is the Arc Arrival Brow Definer, the pencil product that it comes up with at one end of it, was not very pigmented. If you're a noob at making or filling your eyebrows, it would be very easy for you because it was not very pigmented, so it helps you not make mistakes. But this one is very pigmented, and I love that about it. I totally love the way this product is. It's just one package that you would need anytime for your brows. Before that, let me speak about the price of this product. It is priced at 599 rupees for 0.3 gram of the pencil product and 0.35 gram of the powder product that it comes up with. It's available in two shades, Cherry Brown and Taupe Tom. Cherry Brown is kind of shade for brown, it's a medium brown shade for brown hair, and Taupe Tom is mostly for the dark brown hair and black hair, those who have, so that would be more suitable for them. But I kind of have brown hair, so I thought that it would be more suitable, Cherry Brown would be more suitable for me. Now let's see the packaging of this product. At one end of the product there is a pencil thing that comes over when you roll it here, and you can see how precise the pencil is. It's very thin, and जब मैंने यूज़ किया इसको इन द लुक दैट आई हैव क्रिएटेड नाउ, तो मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही ऊपर कर दिया था और वो थोड़ा टूट गया. सो मेक श्योर दैट आप बहुत कम रोल करें ऊपर, बिकॉज दैट वुड बी इनफ, एंड प्लीज़ यूज़ अ वेरी लाइट हैंड बिकॉज ये इतना पिगमेंटेड है. यू जस्ट नीड वेरी लाइट स्ट्रोक्स ऑफ दैट. इसके बीच में है ये पाउडर पार्ट. आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव टू रोल इट फ्रॉम हियर, and this comes with a sponge kind of tip, and this is used to just fill the spaces जो आप अपने पेंसिल फॉर्म में नहीं फिल कर पाए हैं. वो पार्ट आपका यहाँ से फिल हो जाएगा. एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू नॉट पुलिंग लाइक द वे आई डिड राइट नाउ. यू हैव टू रोल इट आउट. आदत नहीं था. द अदर एंड ऑफ दिस वन इज द स्पूली लाइक ऑलवेज, एंड दिस इज हाउ द स्पूली लुक्स लाइक. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल स्पूली. So this product is waterproof, it's smudge proof, it would last on your eyebrows for about I think the last time I wore it, it lasted on me for 10 plus hours. क्योंकि उसके बाद मैंने मेकअप रखा ही नहीं. I took off my makeup. I feel that if you leave it for about 12 hours or 12 hours, more than 12 hours, it would last on you, because ये even if I'm sweating, even if अभी तो बैंगलोर में काफ़ी ठंड है, and we don't have that kind of humid weather, so I would not know if this is sweat proof or not. But considering Sugar claims it to be waterproof and smudge proof, so I'm sure it must be sweat proof, and it actually stays a long time. Now let's see the application of this product. Now I'm gonna first brush my eyebrows with this spoolie so that the excess foundation or any product settled in my eyebrows would go off. Now I'm going to be using the pencil end of this eyebrow product to just create single strokes in my eyebrow. It's very pigmented. I just broke a little bit end of this eyebrow product. Just make sure you're not applying a lot of pressure. Apply it with a very light hand. Now we are going to be using the powder shell side of this one. It's in a small sponge kind of thing to fill in the spaces where I could not fill with the pencil end. Little bit of gaps. This is gonna be staying in my vanity, I don't know for how long. It's so amazing. I love this. So after application, we are gonna be brushing it off again with the spoolie. Yes, I love this. All my heart, 5 on 5. Let's see what Sugar has to say about this product. Sugar says, Sugar Arc Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper is truly the answer to all your brow prayers. Of course, I agree to it. With the power of pencil, powder and spoolie, this will surely become your go-to tool time after time. I cannot say time after time, but I am already thinking that this is my go-to from now, because this is the second time that I have used this one and I am totally in love with this one. So it comes in 2 shades, as I said, Jelly Brown and Tope Tom. Additional details that Sugar gives us is dermatologically tested, cruelty-free and paraben-free. And just let me tell you guys that every product that Sugar launches is always cruelty-free, paraben-free, and they are dermatologically tested, so you could always trust that brand. And the benefits of this one would be castor oil, palm oil and coconut oil. It helps in nourishment and growth of brow hair. Water resistant formula, won't fade or smudge in humid conditions. Humid conditions I'm yet to check because it's already rainy now and it's kind of cold here. And I guess humid condition में टेस्ट करने के लिए अब अगले साल समर का वेट करना पड़ेगा. Up to 12 hours stay power, no touch-ups needed. I would agree to this because you really don't need any kind of touch-up. You can see how beautiful this is. Even if I'm touching it, there is no product on my hand, so it's absolutely smudge proof. Guys, now all I can say is this product, it would be my go-to for forever because I am deeply in love with this one. At this price, at just 599 rupees, this is worth every penny and beyond that. And also when Sugar comes up or launches any product, it never ever disappoints. For this, I would rate it 5 on 5 for everything that it comes up with, for the ingredients, for the pigmentation of this product, for the long lasting, for being smudge proof, for being budge proof. If you're looking for a brow product, please close your eyes and go for it because this is highly recommended. Now here I finish my short review on Sugar Arc Arrival 3-in-1 Brow Shaper in the shade Jelly Brown. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.